Alright, part 2, people. Welcome back. Got more cars coming in. For a moment I thought this was TJ Hunt, but it's not. I was like, what the heck? We have the exotic. I know, I love them. I love them cars, man. You hear that turbo on that thing? You hear the turbo on that thing? I love them RX-7. See, I don't like them covers on the brake. I should flip this the other way. Oh man, look at the porch. Oh man, what?
Ese se fue por ahí para abajo, ese, y el carro está lindo.
They give me to pick right now. I take the Porsche.
Yeah.
They tell me take one, pick one. I take the Porsche. Entre esos dos carros que están ahí, me llevo el Porsche. Old school Fiero.
Yo me llevo el que parece una
Old school Fiero.
Yo sé que no es una Lamborghini, no estoy diciendo que se parece, ¿ok?
Yeah, I know. This is a McLaren. El de allá es un McLaren y el de acá es un Porsche. ¿Qué tipo de Porsche? I don't know. Still cold. We're still waiting for more people to show up. So I might do a part 3, I might don't. I might don't.
I might not.
I might do.
I might not.
Okay, I might not. Thanks, t-shirt. Till the next one. Be safe. You already know. 10 to the new subscribers.